Attention everyone, I have an extremely important video. This is a good one. We did not post yesterday. Subscribe for daily Bitcoin trading updates if you're not already. And we got to make up for lost time. I am in a long position. You are looking at this right. I am not in a short position. We're going to explain this position and why I am trading this. We're going to look at the overall structure I'm seeing. And guys, I have a very important fractal that just printed on the 1 minute chart. That is exactly what we are looking for the overall 1 hour swing on Bitcoin that we are playing. If you're new to this channel, I did call the top here. I did call the bottom here. We rode this up, we rode this down. I called the top here, we rode this down. We've been swinging this sucker back and forth, turning the non-believers into believers. We have a lot to talk about today, guys. Let's get right into this video. Before we do, if you haven't already joined the free Discord linked in the description below, I do have my free Elliott wave course. My free trading course is linked in there. It's also pinned in the first comment. And also, I created an Instagram, guys. Follow me on Instagram. Do it now. It's pinned in the first comment. I will be posting life stuff and some motivational stuff. You will get a glimpse of my life. We'll connect on a deeper level. And you will see my face. You will see my face on my Instagram. I promise you. I just need to let some people pile in here. Spoiler alert, I'm sexy. So if you want to see me, if you want to connect with me, follow me on IG. I'll see you over there. Let's get into this video, baby. First thing we're going to go over. Number one, I am in a long position. Premium members know this. Premium members are long with me right now. The reason I have closed out of my short position is because I went to go take profit on my short and put in this hedge long, and I accidentally closed out my entire short position. So either way, it is fine. I got $8,000 profit on Ethereum. We got $17,000 profit on Bitcoin on that trade. I'm happy with it. I'll take it. I did not want to have to re-enter short. It's annoying, and I wanted to stay short in case this thing continued to dump. But I wanted to get into a long anyways, just to hedge, because I'm expecting this to play out right here. We're going to go over that. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. I have the magnifier on still. I'm expecting this to play out. All right. So, without further ado, let's jump into the charts. First, we're going to go over the overall structure. This is the 12-hour daily time frame situation, right? So, this is the overall move I'm looking for Bitcoin to make. I am expecting this to continue right up in this pocket, right around 52K. We're going to go over why. We're going to go over the fractal that the market makers have just blessed us with, hinting towards this move. Was it meant to be? I don't know, guys. You know I've been calling for this. Once we hit here, I'm looking to come up, spike the highs, take out all this liquidity, juicy. It's sitting right there, right after election time. Sweep the highs, and we just put in a correction down, a correction up, looking for 5 waves, flat down, and that's a big correction for us right there. So I'm expecting a gnarly impulse to the downside, sweep up all this juicy liquidity here, and then we can continue up. That's my overall picture. That's way in the future. I just want to give you guys a little bit of a roadmap as to where my head is lying. Now, we're going to look at, right now, the structure that I am long for and that I am seeing playing out. So, I am expecting fully for this trend line that we put in to smash to the upside. It looks like we're going for it right now. Let's see how the trade's doing. We're good. And on this specific trade, I'm looking to take this all the way up to like 63K, guys. 63K. I'm looking to fill this fair value gap. I'm looking to correct up. You can pull fibs, do whatever the hell you want to do. I don't care how you get there. 50%, you know, the 0.5 fib looks like a good spot. Why not, right? There's liquidity right there as well. That's what I am targeting. We will be taking profits along the way. And really, I just see a finished 5-wave shape to the downside here. I was expecting a correction here. In my previous videos, even when we were coming down here, all in here, I was expecting this to hold right up in here expecting a correction. Today, everyone was shaken out. All the weak hands were shaken out, but not us over at Chart Junkies. If you're new to the channel, guys, you are not too late to the movement. I have big things in store for this channel, for our community. So head on over to the premium Discord. It's found within the free Discord for my alerts. I have swing alerts, scalp alerts, 24/7 live charts on cryptos and regular markets. I'm constantly in the chat. All my indicators are included. It's community, the only community you will ever need to be in. I promise you that. Just go to upgrade here. Use the code 25OFF for $25 off your first month if you want to give it a try. This code expires Friday. Just click the link. It connects right with your Discord. I will see you guys over in premium. Here we are. This is the structure we're playing. I'm playing an impulsive wave up to 63K. Now, the all so important fractal that just printed on the 1 minute time frame. Guys, this is a miracle if this plays out, and if it printed like this for us, it was just meant to be. We'll see. We are long from right here. We are long from right here. We tried a couple longs. We're in profit, got stopped out in profit or barely lost. Moved our stop losses around. So we were trying to jockey in a position, but as you can see, boom, 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 boom. They're just shaking everyone out. Everyone is so bearish all of a sudden. Why not? Let's bring it back to the upside and wreck them all. So on the 1 minute, this is a very clear picture as to what is to come. What's it called in books and movies when they show like a sneak peek of something's to come? Foreshadowing. This is a foreshadow. Before we get into this, and this is important, I'm going to show you guys a setup that's coming in play right now. If you want to trade on Blowfin, it is no KYC. It's what I use to trade on exclusively. It's what everyone uses to trade on nowadays. No KYC. They are simply the best. Pinned in the first comment down below is the link that I have hooked my community up with for this gnarly deposit bonus. You will get bonuses on each of these deposits. Your initial deposits, you automatically get the bonus. You don't need to do anything. And then you get additional bonuses for how much you trade in total volume. So you can get both of these bonuses combined, depending on how much you deposit and how much you trade. So go take advantage of this now. Click the link, sign up for Blowfin, and come trade with us. Come trade with Daddy. All right. On the 1 minute time frame, what we have printed here, and I already showed premium members this when it happened. It's a complex flat correction, in my opinion. We have an initial starting wave here off of the bottom. This low held. It did not break. This low held. Initial starting wave. We have a correction down. Correction up. Big wave down. That's a flat correction. A, B, C. Flat correction, right? We have a corrective wave up. A, B, C. That technically broke the high. This is our starting wave. Didn't break this high, but that is fine. It broke this high. That's all we care about. When you have a correction down and a correction up that breaks the high, you would expect an impulsive wave to the downside. A big liquidity sweeper to the downside. And that is really just a larger flat correction. A, B, C, right? Boom, boom, boom. And that is just correcting this wave. A very long way to do it. A very obnoxious way to do it. But it's what this market likes to do, baby. And then boom, impulse right off of that. We took liquidity out under the lows here. This big liquidity section, took it out. We did not break this low. We held this low. And we simply have a starting wave, a correction. It took the long way around, but it was a correction. And now, boom, we're off of this. Now, guys, from here, this can be just an ABC correction, right? We're coming up towards fib targets. We could just come here and then dump. Could be the case. Either way, I'm long for it. Stop loss is going to be in profit. Like, I'm not worried about it. I do want to catch a nasty short when we come up to 63K. I will be looking to re-enter short if we are blessed with this. If we are blessed with this, if we come up in here, anywhere's up in here, I will be trying to short this. I don't care how many times it takes. I will short, short, short. Boom, for a big wave down. It's how it's done, people. It's how it's done. Now, you saw the 1 minute chart. We're going to hop and skip over to our hour chart. This is the hourly chart that I have had drawn up for you guys for a while now. It's what I've been saying is going to play out in my opinion. And here, just exactly on the 1 minute chart, you can see how similar they are. You have a correction down for a flat. You have our starting wave, right? You have our starting wave, correction down for a flat. You have a starting wave, correction down for a flat. You have a correction up that broke the high. You have a correction up that broke the high. And an impulsive wave to the downside that took liquidity but kept the low intact. We did not break the low. I am expecting an impulse down that sweeps liquidity and keeps the low intact. And then we push. Looking at the daily time frame, keeps the low intact, and then we push. This is my plan. You guys can do whatever you want to do. If you've been around this channel long enough, you know I stick with my plan and I stick with my guns no matter what. But as of right now, everybody is ultra bearish. All of a sudden, you should have been bearish up here. All of a sudden, they're ultra bearish. So let's go make them cry real quick. Let's make them cry and let's make us happy. That's how things go around here. And then we'll continue. I will keep you guys posted. I will post a video tomorrow. Subscribe for daily updates if you're not already. I will see your asses in premium. Do not miss out. We are on a heater right now. And I'll see you over on Blowfin. Thank you everyone for watching. I love each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.